Now, we are going to solve this problem on projections of lines by using the AutoCAD software. So the problem runs like this. A line capital AB has its end capital A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. The other end capital B is 60 mm above HP and 45 mm in front of VP. The distance between end projectors is 70 mm. Draw its projections and determine the true length and apparent inclinations. So it's given this problem. So we will try to solve by using AutoCAD software. So first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So then you type the command limits. So reset specify lower left corner 0, 0, enter upper right corner. By default 12,9, you make it 297, 210. Then zoom all. Now we'll go for a line command. So first we're going to draw the A4 size sheet. So take the lower left corner of your sheet and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side. Take some distance and again you click on the first button of the mouse and you drag the mouse towards the top side. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and then go to enter. Similarly, go to offset, take the distance as 297. So you select this vertical line and offset to the left side. And again, you go to the offset, take the distance as 210. Select the object to offset as the horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extend and zoom 0.7x. Then go to fillet. Then zoom extend, zoom 0.7x. So go to fillet. So fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, fillet between this line and this line. Now we'll go for a layer command and create these layers now. So first create new, click on new layer and type the layer by name XY in enter. Again, you click on the new layer and type the layer by name front view. Click on new, type the layer by name top view, enter. Click on new layer, type the layer by name locus and click on new, type the layer by name true length. Now we go for line weights. Layer 0, which is the projector, is 0.05 and say OK. Layer X5, line weight is 0.13, OK. The front view, line weight is 0.5. Okay, the top view layer will going to have 0.5. Okay, then locus will going to have 0.05 and true length will going to have 0.3. Okay, then the true length will have a color, index color is 30. Then top view will going to have red and the front view will going to have magenta. Okay. Then the locus line will have the line type which is dash dot. Click on the line type of locus that is continuous now. You have only by default we have continuous. You click on load, just come down to this and type D dash dot and say OK and click on dash dot and say OK. Now the layer by name locus is changed to line type as dash dot and this as 0.05. Then now we will going to close this. Now we will go for a line command. Draw a first one horizontal line of any convenient distance and then go to offset, take 20 mm above XY line and 30 mm below XY line. So go to offset, take the distance as 20, enter, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side and again by default exit you enter. Since previous command is offset, again you press enter key and type 30 here and select this and offset here. Then go to line, take nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this and then go to fillet between this line and this line and similarly between this line and this line. Then you go to offset, take the distance as 60 and 45. Go to offset, take the distance as 60, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side and offset 45, select this horizontal line and offset to the bottom side. Then you want to have 70 mm distance from the projector A. So go to offset, take the distance as 70, select this line and offset here. Then go to extend, select this as the boundary and select this as the boundary. So because those are the locus points, so it has been extended. Then go to line, take int of this. So take int of this. Similarly, line, int of this, take int of this. Now you have the front view and top view. Now zoom window and go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to trim, select between these two. Then go to erase, go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to intersection point of this. So you're going to get the true length here. Now similarly, go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So you take the front top view now. Go to zoom previous, go to erase, go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this two. Then go to trim, select this line and you select this line. Similarly, go to fillet, trim. Then go to erase this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Then go to line, take int of this, take perpendicular to this, and then int of this. So we have this drawing has been completed. So now I need to go to break this line till here and you break this line till here. Similarly, you break this line till here and you break this line here. Similarly, you break this line from here. Then from here, you take it on this side. Then go to erase this. Now we have the drawing completed. Go to layer, fix the layer as XY. Then you click on this and you click on this. So you go to layer, you make this as locus layer and change the line type as line type scale factor as 10. So you're going to get dash dot. So you click on this, go to layer, you make this as top view and you change the line weight display. Similarly, you click on this. You click on this, go to layer, make that as front view. And then you click on this and you click on this. Go to layer, make that as true length. So you're going to change this. Now all other lines will be of projector line having layer 0.0, line weight as 0.005. Now we will going to go for the dimensions. To do the dimensions, so we will go for the DIM and go to modify. Click on primary units. You can linear dimension, you make it 0. Then the angular dimension, I want it up to second decimal point. And say OK. Then go to text. You make it this as 3. Aligned with the dimension line. Centered becomes above. Offset from the dimension line as 2. Then symbols and arrows. Take the arrow size as 3. And go to lines. You make this offset from the origin as 2. Say OK and say close. Now we'll go for dim. So take nearest point on this and perpendicular to this. So you will going to get it as 60. Similarly, nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this and you will going to get it as 45. Then intersection point of this and int of this and you make this as 30. Then int of this and int of this and you make this distance as 20. Then nearest point on this and then perpendicular to this. So you're going to get 70. Then I need to find the true length. So go to DDIM. So go to modify. So go to primary units. So you make is 0.0. and say OK and say close. So you're going to get it as dim int of this. So here you switch off the ortho mode, take int of this. So you're going to get it as 82.01. So go to text. So here give space, enter. So you just click over this. So you're going to get it as this. Then go to DDIM. Similarly, you go to dim. Go to dim. Take angular. You take alpha. So what is this? Alpha is 29.74. Yes, alpha is 29.74. So just go to text. Sorry. Erase. Go to dim. Go to angular. Select between this line and this line. So you'll go 29.44. Text. You give space. Enter. So you place it wherever you want. Then similarly, angular. Select this line. And you select this line. So you're going to get it 12.09. Go to text, give space, enter. So you just enter key of this. Now we will go for DDIM, and then you make this modify. So here you make it this as 0 and this also as 0 and say OK and say close. Automatically everything will going to change. So now we go for the text matter. So go to text. So you click on this and you mark this text height as 3, rotation angle as 0. You mark this as X and you mark this as Y, and you keep this as VP and you keep this as HP. And then we have capital A in bracket. So here you have capital B in bracket. So here we have locus of B. And here we have capital B, and here you have locus of B, and here you have capital A, and then put up the caps lock. You mark this as A dash, you mark this as A, and you mark this as B, you mark this as B dash. So from here you take B1, and here it is B1 dash, and here it is B2 dash, and here it is B2. So this is how you will be able to write the texts. All those things has been covered. So now we need to write the M text. So you click on this. So here you type, go to formatting, go to Arial, go to symbol, click on this, you type alpha, then go to copy. Select this. So here, so I go to DD edit. The text is already there. I need to edit that. So beta and say B, small letter B. So you're going to get this. Now we will try to move everything now. So go to move. Go to move. Take X. Similarly VP. Similarly HP. And here it is Y. And then we have small a, you have A dash, and here you have B dash, you have capital B, later I will write, we'll move that now here. Then we have locus of B, then we have B2 dash, then we have B1, and here it is B, here it is B2, and here it is capital B, and here it is locus of B, and here you have A, and here you have capital A in bracket. Now we need to change all the layers. So you just go to VP, A dash, B dash, B1 dash, locus of B, B2 dash. So go to layer, you make that layer as front view. Similarly, go to A, HP, B, B2, B1 and locus of B, and go to layer, make that as top view. Then you click on this, you click on this, click on this and click on this. go to color only, just change the color to blue, that's all. So we are going to get this. So now we need to show the directions of projection. So for that, I will go for leader. So go to nearest. I select this here and you drag tangentially to that arc. Annotation option none. Similarly, go to leader, take nearest and take tangential to this arc. Annotation option none. Then go to ortho mode, go to leader, take nearest. Annotation option none. And then go to leader, nearest. So here you take this projection like this. Annotation option none. So go to explode this, explode this, and explode this. And go to erase this. Then you erase this and you erase this. So we have, these are the directions of projection. Now we need to write the answer. To write the answer, so we will go for zoom previous and take zoom window here. So here I need to write the text. I will write true length equals question mark. Then go to rotate this. So here switch off the ortho mode. So you change it to true length. You just give this. So then go to the text. So you'll go to write answers. So here, what is the answer we're going to get? One is 82 mm. So that is the true length. Sorry. So here you just go to the text. Type 82 mm. So we need to write this as true length. So go to the text. So here you write true length, capital true length. So then come down to zoom window. Then then move this and go to switch on the ortho mode, go to line. So draw a horizontal line and then draw a line from end point of this, and similarly draw a line from nearest point on this, and then go to offset, take the distance as 6 and you take 6 and you take 6. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge, object to trim as these 3. Then go to copy, select this, copy this here. Then this distance is 29.74. So go to DD edit. So take 29.74 percentage D. So it is 82.01 here. It is not 82. It is 82.01 mm. So now to do that, so I'll just go to a line. So I'm going to draw a line here. Then go to fillet between this and this here. Then go to extend this line. Then go to erase. Then go to fillet between these two lines. Now we have copy. You take this copy here. You take this to this. Then we say it is 12.09. So you come down to DD edit. So you take 12.09. Then go to zoom previous. So here we copy alpha. So that alpha will come here. And this beta will come here. So we have all these things which has been done. So now this is how we will be able to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. So this is how the projections of lines has been worked out. And the analysis has already been carried out. And thank you.